Welcome back. Talegaon Gram Sabha on Sunday witnessed noisy scenes over the urban status to Talegaon village. Members of the Gram Sabha want the status of the village to be maintained. Santa Cruz MLA and member of the Gram Sabha Babush Monserrat assured locals that the status of the village will be maintained even after conversion of Talegaon into urban status. Babush said that urban status is necessary to avail various urban development schemes from the centre.
The urban area, whatever, the benefits what we got from the urban, I think this was a resolution not taken by the MLA and not taken by the Panchayat itself. It was the members who had taken this resolution that this urban, Talegaon should be called as a part of the urban. And if you go to see as a census, if it is more than 20,000, automatically the area becomes urban. Secondly, now this you are talking about this sewage system. Sewage system has come to Talegaon because it is because we had asked the status of an urban area. I mean, you show me any other village, any village in Goa which has a sewage system. We are having a panchayat status. Plus, we are trying to get funds from the urban listing so that this place should be developed in both dual system. In village, we bought it for a village listing for simple reason. Today, we are enjoying the best of facilities and at what cost? At the cost of what we are paying tax only as a village. As long as I am standing here, I will see that panchayat will never go away from Talegaon. This is my commitment.
Now look at the other events in the state.
Don Bosco College, in association with Mala Lions Club, had organized a blood donation camp in its college premises. A number of students donated blood.
Students are also very happy to donate blood because all of them have been informed about the significance of this and how through their little sacrifice other people will be benefited. So that's why, as you can see around over here,
Sioli Marna Village Panchayat Child Committee held an awareness program on child safety. PTA members, personalities from social and service sectors and teachers from Sioli participated in this program.
Nobody can replace parents, but the point is also which we have to consider, how much do children listen to parents today? You have a lot of situations where parents are very afraid of their children, and one of the reasons is because we have one child or two children. Whereas, you know, in earlier days we were 7 children, 8 children, 5 children. So they somehow want to please the child and very few have the parental skills. So maybe what we could come out with the commission is something on how do you know, parents are not equipped. Our parents did not need to be told how you should be parents. It was like they were able to. But today's parents, you need something called parenting.
Tissot introduced its T10 collection in Panji. The collection was launched by MTV youth icon V.J. Galen. Tissot watches are priced between Rs 19,400 and Rs 25,100. Bureau Report, Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.